Hi everybody, we're showing you a Manesty beta press, tablet press today. It's the 16 station. They added a DC controller to it, which operates the feed station right here. And I can show you that right here. So you control the amount of feed you have going in to the press. It has of course a pre-compression station. Of course, the main compression, lower and upper pressure rollers right there. Of course, you see the discharge chute through there. We removed a lot of the guards and stuff. Gave it a quick cleanup because we do coat the press head with a oil-based material just to keep it. Got to clean that up a little bit today. It has variable speed here. This wheel is mechanically driven. And you can see you can adjust the position as to whether you want faster or slower speeds. As your pressure right here, you'll see you can adjust the pressure right there. Stop start amperage meter. It does have all the guards. As I said, we removed them. Once again, we're operating on 220 single phase voltage. Steals some of that power to operate the DC. Head looks true, right on target. Has a keyed upper head. Of course, the loading station right there removes for putting in the lower punches. Stop start working. Hope this gives you a good idea of the condition of this press, which is very good. Obviously you want to adjust the normal maintenance items and things like that, but everything operating very well. Thanks for joining us today for this video. We hope to hear from you soon.